Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 best 4K laser smart projector to buy in 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5, ViewSonic LS700 4K laser projector, supersized movies and games, immersive cinema-like experience in 4K UHD, 3840x2160p, 4x the clarity of full HD, on a screen up to 300 inches in 3300 lumens high brightness. This home theater projector delivers stunning home entertainment around the clock, day and night, in bright or dark rooms. HDR content support. With the ability to decode HDR video signals, this projector delivers incredibly detailed video playback. Long lamp life. Advanced light source allows the projector to shine bright for up to 20,000 hours. Powerful versatility. Laser TV integrates seamlessly with Roku, Fire TV Stick. Number 4, Sony VPL GTZ240 laser projector. The wonder of the cinema comes home with 4K HDR clarity. A 2200 lumen Z-phosphor laser light source brings exceptionally bright and clear colors, contrast, and motion for over 20,000 hours of playtime. With the ArcF lens equipped for ultra-crisp images, you'll wonder how you watched movies before the VW995ES. Input-output terminals, HDMI, 2 inputs, digital RGB/YPB/CBPR/CR, IRAN, mini jack, LAN, RJ45, 10 base T/100 base TX, remote, RS232C, D-sub 9-pin, male, trigger, 2 inputs, mini jack, DC12 VMAX 100 mA, USB DC5V, max 500 mA. Number 3, Optoma CinemaX P2 Smart 4K UHD laser projector, 4K UHD plus HDR10. Enjoy a high-quality, cinematic home theater experience with 4K Ultra HD, HDR10 technology, and an incredible 2:0:0:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio 6-segment color wheel. Experience richer colors and enhanced brightness with the 6-segment color wheel. The RGB color wheel brings accurate cinematic color to your home, reproducing movies, TV, and games the way the director envisioned it. Bright, reliable laser technology delivers outstanding brightness up to 30,000 hours of light source life that maintains stunning image quality throughout its lifespan. 3,000 lumens of brightness enable lights-on viewing in a variety of rooms, any time of day. Zoom type, fixed ultrashort throw. The CinemaX P2's space-saving, ultrashort throw design provides convenient placement for a huge screen experience, up to 120-inch image from only inches away. Easy image setup, using Optoma's SmartFit app, ensure easy place and play. Number 2, Samsung the premier 4K laser projector, 4K UHD ultra bright laser. Cutting-edge laser technology and 4K resolution delivers cinema-like picture and contrast with 2200 lumens. Smart TV powered by Tizen. Go beyond smart TV with next-gen apps, super easy control, and a host of enhancements that elevate the projector watching experience. Ultra short throw and compact design. This compact projector can turn any room into a home theater. Ultra short throw technology allows for product placement within inches of any wall to seamlessly blend into your space. 2.2 channel system. Elevate your home theater experience with a 2.2 channel system, the powerful subwoofer and 30W speakers to deliver a room-filling sound. Multiple voice assistants, built-in Alexa, and Bixby voice assistants let you control your projector with your voice, get information, and do so much more. UHD processor. Number 1, VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector. The VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector is a high-end home entertainment device that allows you to create a large-screen TV experience in your home without the need for a traditional TV. Here are some key features and specifications of the VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector. Ultra Short Throw. This projector is designed to be placed very close to the wall or screen, allowing it to project a large, bright image from just inches away. This means you can create a big screen experience in a small room, without needing a lot of space. For K resolution, the VAVA projector has a resolution of 3840 by 2160, which means you can enjoy high-quality, detailed images with vivid colors and sharp contrasts. This resolution is 4 times that of Full HD, providing you with an incredibly immersive viewing experience. Laser technology. The projector uses a laser light source that can produce up to 2500 ANSI lumens of brightness, which means you can enjoy clear and bright images even in well-lit rooms. The laser technology also provides a longer lifespan for the projector compared to traditional lamp-based projectors. HDR10 support. The VAVA projector supports HDR10, which is a high dynamic range technology that can display a wider range of colors and contrast levels. This means you can enjoy more vibrant and detailed images, with brighter whites and darker blacks. Smart features. The VAVA projector has built-in Wi-Fi and comes with a smart Android TV interface, allowing you to stream your favorite movies and TV shows from popular apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. You can also use voice commands to control the projector with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Sound quality. The projector has 2 integrated Harman Kardon speakers that provide high-quality sound for an immersive viewing experience. The speakers have a total output of 60 W and use DTS Virtual X technology to create a 3D surround sound effect. Overall, the VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV projector is a high-end entertainment device that provides an immersive viewing experience with stunning image quality and impressive sound.